Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here in this video I'll be showing you two chairs. These chairs are going to Delhi, and the interesting part is this order is from one of the biggest suppliers who supply to Kirti Nagar, Delhi furniture makers, and he has given the order to us, not to Kirti Nagar vendors. You may be knowing that Kirti Nagar is the Asia's biggest market for furniture, and there are a lot of people who are working on similar stuff. But the person who is sitting there, who knows everything about the furniture there, who know all the bigger manufacturers and the vendors there, has come to us and ordered the stuff to us. We have prepared it and it is going to Delhi for the same supplier. Here the reasons could be several, but the prominent reason is he knows our stuff. He knows the brand of Aarsun, our quality and what we are making. And that is the sole reason there are so many people from Delhi who comes to us, who are living very close to Kirti Nagar. They come to us, get their furniture, get their home furniture, and Delhi is one of our biggest markets. In spite, there is a big market of furniture in Delhi itself. Now talking about the chair, this is 39 inches left to right. The height is 51 inches, front to back 30 inches, and it's a double carving chair, front and back. I'll move on to the back, I'll show it to you. Here is the design of the back, similar to the front part. It's in teak wood, metallic gold paint, and the fabric is given by the client himself, and we have used it. The design you can see, the back, the front, the overall work on the unit, the handle carving, the carving on the legs, and the artwork that we have for master artisans that are working with Aarsun for so long now. Aarsun is an international trademark registered in 35 countries. We are in this business for almost 40 years now, and we are supplying to more than 55 countries, home delivering the stuff. You can see a long list of testimonials that we have earned in all these years on the website, and all these clients have received the stuff in good condition very safely. They have displayed it, took pictures, sent it back to us, and given us feedback and blessings and further orders also. For any business, sustainability, the repeated client is very important. And what's happening here is that with the references we are getting more business than any kind of advertising or YouTube video or anything. People refer us, let them know they have bought the stuff from Aarsun, and almost the order is finalized at that stage only. After that, the client only discusses the requirement. And when we have such strong reference, it's just because we have worked really hard. We have made masterpieces like these and delivered everywhere across the globe, and that is visible on more than 1200 videos on YouTube, and on our website you can see everything is listed there with a detailed explanation. I'll move the chair back to its position. Let's put it here. It's in teak wood, metallic gold paint. I'll sit on it. I'll also feel the luxury of the chair, the Maharaja look that we get in our chair, the real royal look, royal furniture, or you call premium furniture, designer furniture. Aarsun makes all these designs in required size, color, pattern, fabric, and number of seats that you require and deliver globally. Majorly, I like to discuss 3 points with you. We use teak wood in our furniture, that is very durable. Second is about the painting work. We use high quality paints, the top brands, and that is really durable. Even in polish, we have got very fine quality and it lasts for a very long time. So our furniture is almost for lifetime. Only the fabric is something that goes bad with time, 7-10 years. After that, it has to be changed because it also gets dirtier, and it's a usable thing. So wear and tear after a few years, 7-8 years down the line, it happens. Second thing is about the price part. We are the manufacturers. We are making it here and we are delivering directly to the end users. So there is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent in the middle. So you get the best prices when you buy from Aarsun. And home delivery. We are delivering to more than 55 countries safely in good packing. And the testimonials on the website is a testament to the fact what we have done. And what we get is blessings, love, and more orders with reference. This is handwork done by local artisans. This is not machine done, on real wood by real people. The paint, the colors, the cushion part, everything involves people. And the best part is Aarsun, because you are giving us an order. Aarsun is providing work to so many people in the city that almost everybody is full of work. And that has been possible because you have trusted us and you are generating work for so many people. Not just work, but money for the economy, the foreign exchange with the exports, and we are adding our bit to the economy. As our Honorable PM, Shri Narendra Modi ji has said, make in India, buy from India, buy local. All these points are covered when you buy from us because it's a local thing, but the quality is better, in fact, from what we are getting in Egypt, Turkey, China, Italy. I'm pressing this point because people have seen Italian furniture and bought from us, and not just one, but 9 bedroom sets, sofa sets, the entire palace furniture. I've shown earlier videos, and the client visited Italy. He selected the stuff there, but we made it and delivered to the client's place, and the client is super happy. What you want, we make that. What you like, accordingly we work and we deliver to your home at factory price. So anything you are looking for in premium furniture, royal furniture, designer furniture, Maharaja furniture, Aarsun is the place you can visit. You can talk to us. The number is right here, and we deliver globally to your home. Hope and trust you like our work. Please contact us for any query. The number is right in front of you. Thank you. Dhanyavad.